Okay. Hello everyone. Well, it's we just woke. Today is
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
And
Today we're gonna
have Pannkuchen.
Pannkuchen.
Eliza, what's Grandma making for breakfast?
Pannkuchen.
Pannkuchen? What's that?
Pancake.
Pancake?
Yeah.
What happened out there, Zach?
I'm gonna show you.
Hold the camera carefully so you don't make people dizzy.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Wet in the pool. Mouse in the pool. Bottom of the sea. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Mr. Ramen. I don't know if you can see
Be
this.
careful with the camera, Zach. You have to hold it slowly
Wait.
so people don't get dizzy.
Right here, so he's gonna get it like they are, I guess. Yeah.
There's
Good.
a frozen one down here.
Frozen one. He just got frozen. I know. His name is Mr. Wetman because he lives in a pineapple under the sea.
Oh, there's another one, a swimming one.
I know, that's the same one that I saw. Out he goes. No rats can go in the pool. Well, Hendrix is watching a YouTube and the YouTuber. Then we're going to and then we're gonna watch him go. Let me just get my slippers on. I had my slippers on, but I just took them off. What?
This is a paid advertisement for Nickelodeon and Zero.
Pause. Wait for me, okay? We just need to get a closer look at him. We just need to get a closer look at him. What should he do? Okay, so see if there's any rats in here.
Is there a rat in there?
No. Yes, there is.
Alright, you guys, so Mom ordered one of these thermometers last night, or the other day. It finally came. Non-contact infrared thermometer. John just placed the batteries inside. And is it turning on? John, you can't, they're both the same. I think you placed them upside down.
Usually this part goes next to the spring.
Oh, yeah.
It didn't turn on.
Did you read the directions? Oh no, Mom, the one you bought is faulty. I got to work, you guys. I had to switch around the batteries a little bit. John, what does my temperature say? Am I alive? 36.5 degrees Celsius. John, can you change it to Fahrenheit?
Allowed to do that?
Yeah, it's right there.
No, it doesn't let you do it.
Eliza, I'm going to check your temperature.
It's not too hard because
Hopefully we have all the right colors.
we have never tried this.
Let me see your face. 96.3.
Everybody's little cute little fuzzy. I don't know. Winnie the Pooh.
97.2. Wow. Eliza, look it. I made you.
I don't want stew up on my nose.
No syrup for Thackeray. Okay. Okay, guys, since it's a really nice day today, perfect for planting because it's not sunny, it's not hot, and we're gonna repot some of these things, I think. Look at this. This was like nothing before. It like completely died, but it came back full force and looks so good. Super good. Then the fern, the backside of it is growing in nicely. Look at that. looking beautiful. Why are we so close? Okay. All these guys are doing pretty well. Even that guy came back to life because he was inside and not doing the best. This is Mom's pea plant. It has some flowers. This is John. He's wearing gloves. Mom's spraying her neem oil. Alright, you guys, I wanted to give you an update on what's happening in the backyard. There's a lot of stuff happening. Mom bought a bunch of these like planting bags from Amazon, and she's gonna plant a bunch of veggies in there. She already has like some tomatoes in that one, and we're breaking up a lot of like our old cacti and stuff that's been gifted to Mom by her friends, and she's like making cute little ornamental thingamabobbers. Something. They're gonna be really pretty when they're done. Look at how good that already looks. So that looks super cute. And then we're getting like a bunch of different things, putting dirt in them so we can plant stuff. That's an orchid that Mom's gonna repot. Then over here we have this planter that we've had since we moved here, and the plants that were in here we took out, and we're going to replant new plants. We actually don't even have the plants yet, but we just put dirt in them or in it already so that we can have them ready for when we have plants. I don't even know if that makes sense. And then over here we have our vertical gardens. We're gonna fill these up with soil and then eventually put a bunch of herbs and stuff inside them. They're gonna be fantastic. And that's our update for right now. Oh, it's getting hot. Alright, you guys, so we filled it up with dirt. We practiced with 2 flowers and 2 sides. Looks good. We're just getting some more stuff planted up, but this is the update on the plant wall. Can't wait to get other plants in there. But the sun is starting to come out, it's starting to get hot. Alright, you guys, it is many hours later, and I'm showing you guys our project, our update for how things are starting to look. Pretty much got all these plants taken out, replanted. That is still a work in progress, but we got all those stuff planted. This whole table, this is what we wanted to like really clean up, because I'm gonna donate this after we clean it off. I'm gonna donate it and get this out of the backyard. We filled up these with veggies, and I think they're all veggies, and they're all gonna grow and look beautiful. What else? Ooh, and Mom planted a bunch of these little succulent things. This is her favorite one, I think. Is this one your favorite one, Mom? Yeah. That one, and John, show them yours. Where's the one that you did?
No.
That is not the one you did. This is the one John did. Look at that. This one's John's favorite. That one's a good one. That one's a good one too. We have some propagating up here. Got these right there. All these are looking good. Then over here, we filled all these up with dirt already, so they're good to go. We practiced planting some flowers and some of them, so that looks fantastic. We washed this driftwood because Mom wants to bring it upstairs to her balcony. And then over here, this is the other one that Mom did in this vase, and this is gonna go upstairs too. I think pretty much almost all of those succulents are gonna go up there. She has like a really big shelf thing up there. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's where these guys are gonna go. It's gonna be perfect. We'll probably bring them up later. John's organizing his cacti. John, which one's your favorite again? That one. That one's a good one. Are you putting the smaller ones to the front?
You're gonna put these in the front, right?
Yeah.
So
Okay, we'll move those.
Oh, wait, but then this one.
Alright, you guys, so I'm excited because Mom and John ordered this Jin Ramen instant noodle from the internet, and this is what we're gonna have for dinner tonight. Mom's gonna find the Sook Young recipe online for how she makes this, and we're gonna try it, and I am very excited. But this is it in case anyone else would like to try. Very excited about it. So this is what the noodles will look like. So if, in case you just want to buy them at the grocery store. I don't know if they sell them at like Albertsons and stuff, but I'm sure they sell these at like Korean markets, 99 Ranch Market, or other Asian markets, H Mart. But again, Mom got these on Amazon. And we're going to be cooking it in her really cool Le Creuset wok. Is that a wok, Mom?
Yeah.
Wok. So this is pretty exciting. I don't think we've ever used this in this house, right?
Yes, we did.
We did? Well, it was a moment that I don't remember. But this wok is unfortunately not thrifted, right?
Oh,
So,
but this is very old.
so this is very old. This is from like the days of yesteryear.
I think you're older than Cade. This is more than 11 years old.
Older than kid. We're so hungry. We've been working in the garden all day, so this is so exciting for me. I'm like starving. Alright, so while this is boiling, I'm actually going to add, I already opened all of the seasonings. Gonna add that into there. And then we're waiting for our dehydrated shiitake mushrooms to rehydrate so we can cut them up and put them in with all of the delicious seasonings. And then cook it for a little bit, get it nice and like softened in there. And then we're gonna add the noodles afterwards. So, exciting. So we added the mushrooms. The water is already boiling, so I think I'm gonna start putting in the noodles, and then it's almost gonna be time to eat. So to go with our soup, Mom's also going to make some Korean pancakes. The potatoes were from the store, but she got her Vietnamese spinach. We have some green onion, and then peppers, which were all from the garden. So it's gonna be super fresh, it's super delicious, so excited. We love incorporating our fresh fruits and veggies into our meals. Here's the Korean pancakes. Now Mom's just gonna cook them up. It's gonna be so good. Alright, so I think we're sufficiently boiling. Mom is already pretty much finished with that. So now it's time to add the noodles.
Our noodles. We're going to add it like how Sokyang did it on his YouTube.
Ooh. Ah. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah, ting, tang, walla, walla, bing, bang. I'm so excited. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys, but I put in the eggs. So they're poaching right now inside there with the noodles and the soup. And then we're gonna put some green onions on top, and then we're gonna be all done. And we're all done with the soup, and then this is the last pancake, and then it's time to eat. Alright, you guys, I am super duper tired. Today has been a long day out in the garden, but I think we got a ton of work done. So pretty much all that's left is, well, I still want to like organize all the plants and stuff, but we've replanted almost everything that we wanted that we had. And then that one white planter by the outdoor island, we need to get some plants for that. I don't know if we're gonna do flowers or herbs or a combination, but I don't know what it was. Like, that spot is just really sunny, and I feel like it gets sun like a whole day, so it needs to be something that's very tolerant to the sun. And then the vertical garden, I cannot wait to get some stuff planted in there. For sure we want to get some strawberries, like more strawberries, the merrier. Different herbs. And then Mom wants to do like all along the bottom. She said she wants to do marigolds. And I think that's to like to keep out the pests and stuff from climbing up. So that'll be pretty cool. I'm really excited. I don't know if I'm gonna go shopping for the plants tomorrow, but I didn't get to go to Walmart today to do the return on those candles. So I'm gonna definitely do that tomorrow, and then I guess I'll head over to the garden section at Walmart to see if they have any cool plants that I can get, because sometimes they get some pretty awesome plants, and I want some really cool plants in the backyard. Oh, and there's also that, did I show you guys that big like gray bowl thing too? I got it from the potting shed a while ago. I literally never put anything in it. I wanted to do like, you know, like how like that really modern like mossy type of look thing that people do. I wanted to do something like that, but now I have it on top of like, I call him Brother Bear. He's my bear coffee table. I decided to keep him. I was going to donate him, but I'm going to keep him. And I'm going to, and I have the planter on top of that table, and it looks really, really cute. And I know Mama said she wants to do something with flowers. I don't know. We can always change it. So, that's pretty, that'll be a pretty fun little project to put something on there. I wanted to even, like, at one point, I wanted to do, like, you know how, people do like little like, they do this at the potting shed, like someone does like little they put like a little house and like a little walkway, and they make it look really cute and tiny with like little plants, and I thought that would be super duper cute to do on that. It would be super fun, but I don't know if I have the talent for that, but that's like another option that we can do. So I don't even know exactly what I want to do, but I want to do something to it for sure. I was even thinking like I wanted to do like a bunch of just like one like string of pearls like all around, and like it'll fill up the top and start to cascade over the sides. I thought that would be really pretty too, but I don't know. I feel like everyone has a different idea of what we want to do. My mom's like, I want flowering, and I'm like, well, I want to do like something cool and succulents and draping. So I don't know. We will see. But that is it for today. I think I got sunburnt like on my forehead. I definitely got sunburnt on the back of my neck. I should have been wearing like a hat or something, but you know when it's like like today was really overcast. You know when it's like overcast, you never really think about that you can still get a sunburn even when it's overcast. That was me today. So, and I don't think I put like any sunblock on. I was just like, oh, like, whatever, let's go. I didn't even think we were gonna be outside that long. Mom was like, ooh, like let's just do a couple things, and I was like, okay. And a couple things turned into like doing pretty much everything. So that's what happened. Oh, and then that table back there, I wanted to clear it off forever. I'm donating the table to the Goodwill. And because I feel like we just don't need that table back there. Like we don't really sit at it or eat there, and it was just like accumulating like a bunch of random stuff. So I'm gonna donate that. I'm keeping the chairs just like in case like we ever decide to have people over at the house again. We do use like the outside eating area when people come, so like the extra chairs will be nice, and we have like those foldable tables that we can bring out and then put. That's what we usually use anyway. And then if I ever like, we have like, I don't know, we have like a party supply in the garage. We have like chairs and tables. So yeah, anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I know I didn't get to put out my new pillows, which I was really excited about. I'll try to do that tomorrow, but tomorrow definitely we're gonna go to Walmart, and probably also I want to go to the 99 Ranch Market as well, but I don't know if I'm gonna film in there because I always feel like it's really weird to film in there. They always like look at me weird. But I also kind of want to go also to Target, and yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow, bright and early at 7 a.m. Till then, I love you guys so much, and adios!